You said that's your dream to become millionaire. But why that's just dream? Do you know? You can become. So start it now. You have to invest your time to get your goal. Keep pushing forward yourself. Chase a goal until you get it. If you can fight against yourself and you win, believe me, you can do anything in this world. To change the world, first you change yourself. You can't change the past. So focus on making a great future. Life is better when you live it on your own terms. We all fall down in life, but the question is, who gets back up? If someone say it's impossible, remember that it's impossible for them, not for you. How others see you is not important. How you see yourself is everything. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. So work hard and be proud of what you achieve. Invest in your dreams. Grind now, shine later. That's everything.